Hey guys, today on Simply Mercy B, we're making oatmeal raisin cookies. And I will be using a box cake mix to help me achieve this tender, moist cookie. Let's take a look at our ingredients. Welcome back. Today starts our cookie series, and first up is the oatmeal raisin cookies. So we're going to start by getting all our dry ingredients into a bowl and get those all mixed up. In a separate bowl, you want to add all your wet ingredients. We have our oil, our milk, and our egg. And we're going to take our hand mixer and we're going to mix those very well. Now I'm going to take a knife and I'm going to give my nuts a rough chop. If you have a chopper or blender, you can use that. But today I'm just going to use my knife to get a rough chop, just to break them down. We have all our ingredients ready. We have our wet ingredients and we have our dry ingredients and we have our nuts. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to put half of my dry ingredients into the wet ingredients along with half of the nuts and just stir with my spatula until I have completed with all my dry and all of the nuts. And then we're ready to bake some cookies. Now for this simple cookie, you can choose to bake them right away, or you can put them in an airtight container and put them into the refrigerator, and they will last up to 2 weeks or more. That's when you're going to get your freshest cookie, up to 2 weeks. I have already lined my cookie sheet with parchment paper, and I'm using a 1-inch cookie scoop to measure off my cookies so they all can be the same size and they bake up evenly. And we're going to place these into a 350 degrees oven, and they're going to cook 10 to 15 minutes. And I always start with the 10 minutes because I like a softer cookie. And if you choose to let it stay in a little longer, you'll have more of a crispy cookie. When I tell you these oatmeal raisin cookies have it smelling like the holidays around here, oh my. This is the first of my cookie series. But this one right here is an absolute winner, and we use our spice box cake mix to help us along. Guys, I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Coming up next, I am going to be making a holiday sugar cookie. You don't want to miss that one, and that is later this week. And that cookie is very tender. Enjoy. See you next time. Remember to keep life simple. Bye.